World podcast, Cobalt, a deep dive into blue hues and biological necessity. Welcome back to 3B's World podcast, where we embark on exciting scientific adventures. Today, we're venturing into the world of cobalt, a metal that has colored our history and continues to be essential for our well-being. Cobalt, a metal often associated with its striking blue compounds, holds a story that spans centuries and industries. From the vibrant pigments of ancient artisans to the critical role it plays in our bodies, cobalt is far more than just a pretty color. Let's delve into its rich history, explore its unique properties, trace its presence in the natural world, and understand its vital importance for human health. History. From goblins to blue pigments, the story of cobalt is a tale of both beauty and frustration. Ancient civilizations, as far back as the Bronze Age, recognized the ability of cobalt compounds to impart a deep, vibrant blue to glass and ceramics. However, isolating pure cobalt metal proved challenging. Miners often encountered this mysterious metal alongside arsenic, a poisonous element, leading them to believe that mischievous kobolds, goblins in German folklore, were responsible for their difficulties. Thus, the name cobalt was born. It wasn't until 1735 that Swedish chemist Georg Brandt, through careful experimentation, officially identified cobalt as a distinct element. His discovery marked a turning point, transforming cobalt from a troublesome impurity into a valuable resource. The use of cobalt as a pigment flourished, adorning everything from fine porcelain to intricate stained glass windows. Key properties: strength, magnetism, and color. Cobalt, in its pure form, is a hard, lustrous, silvery gray metal. It exhibits a fascinating array of properties that make it valuable in diverse applications. One of its most notable characteristics is its ferromagnetism. This means that cobalt, like iron and nickel, can be magnetized, a property that is crucial in the creation of powerful magnets and magnetic alloys. Cobalt's ability to form intensely blue compounds is another defining characteristic. These compounds, such as cobalt oxide, have been used for centuries as pigments in paints, ceramics, and glass. The deep, rich blue hues they produce are highly prized for their beauty and durability. Furthermore, cobalt is a crucial component in high-temperature alloys, particularly those used in jet engines and gas turbines. Its exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion at high temperatures make it indispensable in these demanding environments. Distribution in nature. From ores to the ocean, cobalt is not found in its pure metallic form in nature. Instead, it occurs in various minerals, often in association with other metals like nickel and copper. The most common cobalt-bearing minerals include cobaltite, cobalt arsenic sulfide, erythrite, cobalt-3, arsenic oxide 4,8 water 8, and smalltite, cobalt nickel, arsenic 2. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the world's largest producer of cobalt, followed by other countries such as Australia, Canada, and Russia. Cobalt is also present in trace amounts in soil, seawater, and even in meteorites. The human body, the cobalt core of vitamin B12. While cobalt is not needed in large quantities, it plays a vital role in human health as the central atom in vitamin B12, cobalamin. This vitamin is essential for several critical bodily functions. Red blood cell formation. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the production of healthy red blood cells. Without sufficient B12, the body cannot produce enough red blood cells, leading to a condition called pernicious anemia. Nerve function. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective covering that surrounds nerve fibers. This myelin sheath is crucial for the efficient transmission of nerve impulses throughout the nervous system. DNA synthesis. Vitamin B12 plays a vital role in DNA synthesis, the process by which cells replicate their genetic material. It's truly remarkable how a trace amount of cobalt through vitamin B12 can have such a profound impact on our health and well-being. Vitamin B12, and thus cobalt, is primarily obtained through dietary sources, mainly animal products such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. Vegetarians and vegans may need to supplement their diets with vitamin B12 to ensure adequate intake. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage. And as always, it's wise to remember that while cobalt is essential, excessive exposure to certain cobalt compounds can be harmful. Like many elements, cobalt highlights the importance of balance and moderation. Outro, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of cobalt. We hope you've gained a greater appreciation for this multifaceted element and its significant contributions to our world.